176, but you would have seen the LTP at around 10 o'clock trading around 178 probably, so that we call it as a spiked up opening. So what we expected yesterday was that, and for the whole week we have a very strict plan, and till 172 we expected the market to stay in uptrend. So what happened is that after the price opening, the price came down and took some support around 176. We know that the market had taken a lot of support around 176. You can see it acted as a potential resistance on 28th. After breaking this, the price went up. So here also it acted as a support, and we know that it is a potential support, and the bottom support is 172. And what happened after taking some support in this zone, the price went up and closed around 179. Now we should in order to have in-depth knowledge about the price actions, we can go back and see what had happened in the international market. So the chart you are viewing is again the same natural gas chart, and all the candlestick represents 1 hour, but the only difference is that it is quoted in dollars along y-axis and time and date along x-axis. This is the price action. What happened? This is the zone where the price opened yesterday, that marks around 178 in MCX, and after that there is a drop, so the price came down, and this zone where the price is dipping here, you can see these zones indicate 176. So from there the market again gave a bounce back and closed higher. Even after the MCX price closing also, the price is trading more or less around the same zone, which indicates that the possible outcome can be good for the buyers. So you can say see the pattern how it has formed. Here it is a double top. You can see, you can always call it as a triple top also. Once the price failed to break this high, again if a failure, again a failure. But what we can see is that if you connect all these highs and draw a trend line, and you can see the trend line is breaking here exactly at the average point. So the price is staying above the average and above the trend line. So why I am not drawing is that I expect you to do this homework. So trading above that indicates that there is good buying momentum. So again, our strategies in international market pricing, we have two moving average line. We use it as a channel, and once the price is staying within these lines, it gives us a potential entry points where we can expect a very good consolidation. Normally people try to avoid consolidation phase, but we don't do that. We expect for the market to get consolidation, and from that we pick our strategy and we pick the trend. So that is the greatest challenge which we are facing. If you want to learn more how to trade using these type of strategies, please contact us. It is a very big study, so it cannot be explained within few minutes. You please contact us. We are ready to help you out of this. So on seeing all this price action, now also it is very clear. So the price expected to move higher, but on such a case, if there is again a failure below 3.32, here the zone which I am mentioning, then the price is expected to come and test 3.22. This is the white color moving average line. It is expected to test. It is a word of caution, which means the price has the potential to test 172. That is the reason we had picked the zone of 172 as the bottom, which is also a very good support zone. So now you would have understand why we had picked these zones, and we had provided enough reasons for that. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos, and happy trading. Take care. Bye.